Don't be driving on the phone, mate. I'm going to be reporting you to the police.
Your wife's getting by another man.
So you're going to have 14 days to wait for a letter to see if they decide to prosecute.
I'll spit in your face, man.
Yeah, then I'll report you for assault too, and I'll keep it with a.
From a black man.
Is that the best you can do?
Yes, that's the best. Your mum's taking.
You behave like a 4-year-old, mate.
Don't suck your mother, you white bastard.
Stay off your phone. Dear oh dear, what a child you are. Bye. Dear oh dear. Well, I knew there was going to be some kind of repercussions. He just looked like that kind of person from the way he was moving and talking to his mates on the phone. I don't know, you can't always predict people's behavior from their body language. Another phone driver. Dear goodness me, there's so many of them. Ah, leave him. Straight away on the phone, it's a blue Mini KE23LHX. She started a call, very bad. On her phone.
What's your name again, mate?
Mikey.
Mike.
Come on, mate. You want to be staying off your phone?
Yeah, hello.
I'm going to report it now. Pay attention to the traffic in front of you. I just caught the lady in front of you and then you're doing that. What the hell, man?